Hey, what's up, people? I'm still feeling under the weather, so I haven't been trading too much or too crazy, just small sizes and stuff like that, just because I'm not, mentally uh, not there, kind of struggling. Just feeling under the weather and sick, that's all. So today I traded PDD. So the stock dropped at the open. It tried to make a high, it didn't really break the 184. I thought I set a level at 187, never touched it. So on the way down, there was a bounce, and on this bounce, I saw that it was close to this SMA, so I took it on the short side. And the reason why I did this is because the stock has been running up for quite a while, made some new highs, and then so on the daily level, if we look at it, it's sort of consolidating around this area, pushed all the way up to 187, kind of fell back yesterday, retraced a bit today. So it was pretty much, I think it's just going to bounce. It's going to be on the slightly short side just because, it made highs. It's still kind of high compared to its range. So I took it on the short, 100 shares. And on the drop, I covered. I didn't know if it was going to go all the way down to the 177 level, which was the previous day close. So I took it on the, so I closed the position, and then it bounced again. I assume it's going to flag for a bit, so this is like a pullback. So I added, or I went short again. It dropped, and then I covered. I didn't know it would do a double bottom. I do have a level set on the bottom here for a buy order in case it bounced through, because there's a level of support down there. It never made it. It went all the way back up. And then I played it one more time. I took it on the short side here because I noticed on the 15-minute that it was below all these levels. As you notice, the huge drop in the early morning, and then it made its way down, made a new 15-minute low, so I took it on the short side. It did drop here, held it for a while, bounced back up, dropped it again, and so this is when I noticed that, hey, if it's going to drop again, this is making a higher low, so I got out, and now it's trying to make probably a higher high. So yeah, so that was PDD. I did plug just a little. I took it on the short side here just because I missed this move. It would have been nice if I took it on the short up here, but I usually don't. So the other thing with this too is I kind of broke my rule. Plug made an all-time high because of some news. SK Group is invested in it, like 1.5 billion or something like that. So I usually don't like to short very strong stocks that made high of the all-time high. This did, but it looked like it was breaking down. This broke through, and then I saw some large bids on the level 2, so I took a small size short. It dropped, I quickly covered, consolidated around this area. Again, I saw some good level 2 signs, so went back in short, covered some, added, covered some more, and then I did the same thing here. So I was basically making some quick scalps on plug. I think it may just run up again unless it breaks through the SMA on the 5-minute. But I'm pretty much done. The only stock I'm watching is Piton. Seeing if it can go up to 155. That's where I set my level for a short. If it doesn't hit it, then I guess I'm just out of the play. That's all. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys stay healthy and stay profitable. Peace out.